Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you how you can use parsley leaf to induce your menstrual cycle, like my previous video where I show you how to if you have early menopause sign, how to slow it down. Yes, and also how to, if you have a ceased menstrual cycle, like when your menstrual cycle is kind of ceasing, when you know it's not supposed to be so, and hormonal imbalance. So I have a video on that, so I'm dropping it in the description section so you check it out. So this particular one is basically for, you have a normal measure, you always see your monthly cycle every month, but sometimes it may be irregular. And secondly, maybe when your period is about flowing, and maybe that period time you have something important to do, you just don't want it to flow that it to come earlier than expected, then this video is for you. Please, disclaimer, I'm not a medical practitioner, so this video so how to use this, you need 4 cups of this a day. So you can chew in it, you can eat the leaf, whatever, if you want to, but if you don't want to, fine, just take the tea, drink it 4 cups a day. Within 2-3 days you're going to see tremendous results. Thank you.